Meaning of hospital corners.
Hospital corners.
Hospital corners.
Hospital corners.
Hospital corners. Hospital corners is a technique used to neatly tuck bed sheets tightly under a mattress. The technique involves folding the sheet diagonally at the corners of the mattress, then tucking the excess fabric underneath the mattress, creating a neat and tidy appearance. The term originated in hospitals where beds needed to be made quickly and efficiently. The technique ensures that the sheet does not come loose during use and creates a snug fit for patients. Today, this method is commonly used in military barracks and hotels to ensure the crisp appearance of beds.